a new format where I basically try to wipe code the things that I want to work with on Zima Blue Media. Okay, some context. Okay, first of all, Zima Blue Media, amazing project. I know you have never heard of it. I own it, and I don't know exactly what I want to do with it. I want to be something like TBPN, bankless, live streaming, but I want it to be like the most go-to source of information for AI and crypto. And when I say go to, I don't mean like it has like the most in-depth topic or stuff. It just for the average person, bro. Like for the average tech person and for the average person who may be like my mom, for example. Like I wanted, so this is a little bit confusing. I would want it to be for me. Huh. Well, I think we're off to a great start now, aren't we? I would want it to be for me and my mom both, in the sense that I don't have the time to like sit through a long live stream, and I also do not have the time to sit through like 30 minutes of a video. I would really appreciate it if like there was an app that could tailor the news experience to my own thing, okay, to my preference. That is what I would want. So in order to do that, I've created this website, and I got this idea from the Ethos Network guy, whose name I'm very conveniently forgetting right now. And I'd have to like go a little bit back and forth between what Corbin is saying and what you know these guys are saying. Wait, entire screen two. This is what we are working with right now. Okay, so I'm trying to push like a PR, and I'm like, yes, create a PR. By the way, if you guys have not used Whisper AI, I highly suggest that you do. Really amazing stuff. I've got the max plan right here. Want to see in my, how do I check for like settings, man? I check settings right here. Billing. Meh, okay. I think it's pretty standard, to be honest. Just new. There we go. This is all we've got. Okay, so it is still like creating this. I really wish there was a way. Wow. Let me get API, GitHub's API directly. Okay, man. Why is the GitHub CLI not available? How do I fix this? Why is the GitHub CLI not available in my Cloud Code, and how do I fix that? Like it's just for like, I don't think it requires like Sonnet, Opus. Sonnet would do. I think I have to be mindful of what I'm doing. I'm basically using Cloud Code on a browser. Will that still work? Oh, okay. Okay. I think this is the better method then. So I have no idea what it's doing right now, but it's doing something. Okay? It is doing something. I just have like no idea how it's even able to do this. I also wanted to ask, like, how do I keep some of my Claude chats private and not have them appear on the sidebar if I am streaming to a bunch of people? I think Sonnet 4.6 is pretty good. Though I just said that, oh, use. Yeah, but like, what if I have already talked about them in great detail in another chat? What I'm talking about is not like hiding the stuff that I'm talking about right now. It's basically about my past conversations that show up in the sidebar when I'm streaming. I love the fact that I can do this like with no hands. Insane. It just says rename it to something big. Okay, man. Nobody taught me it's gonna be this hella boring to work with AI. That's all I would say. I actually have to replace these names as well in my GitHub. I have no idea how GitHub actually works. Fuck, let me actually solve that. It's like Corbin GitHub. Oh, Jesus. Wait. He had this video or something. Is it my fault? I don't want to do this like on like stream. Let me actually just pull this to the side because there's like key generation involved. So yeah, I'm like cool enough to like not worry about Hmm. Yeah, I will actually get back to this now on the basis of like how easily can I generate this key pair. So I'm here, new SSH key. Oh my god, what do I have to say here? I have no idea. I think I'll have to watch that fucking video now. It's so crazy to me. Wow, man. Crazy that this is how long it took. Wow. Insane. Like so much of this for this. Insane. Okay. Claude really does some weird shit sometimes, you know. It just really, really, really does some weird shit. Oh, what is what's the problem here? Troubleshoot. Actually, let me do this from my from that from the native app at this point. Come on, Claude. Have to help me now, Claude. Like troubleshoot. Boom. I think this is like the god mode of Claude. It could do things like these. I just click a picture, set tell it to like troubleshoot. Oh man, I love it when it goes like, okay, I know what's happening. Let's dive into it. GitHub. I think that Corbin is probably one of the best guys out there in the world for this. That's why I'm such a big Sumio supporter because I think Sumio can actually do really well if it's prepared by him. How to build real value. Okay. I want to create like a media company and here I am stuck with code. Wait, I could like still show you guys on like localhost 3000, right? Or no? Okay. Wait. I can do this with terminal if I'm not mistaken. I can look up Zima Blue Media, okay, copy it. Oh, I can do like CD and then copy this. Uh, npm run dev. Oops. Well, that did not work at all. Okay. Uh, hmm. Like CD Zima Blue Media. Oh no. CD Zima Blue Media. I have no idea what this means, but okay. No such file or directory. What do you mean, no such file or directory? Where is this then? Show in Finder. How is it not detecting no such file, man? Crazy. New terminal, add folder. Oh, okay. Remove media and I npm run dev. Could not read JSON. I have no idea what that means. Should retrigger on the PR. Check if it passes now. Okay. Can you perform the PR? I have no idea what I'm doing. I just realized I can actually like share that screen while I continue to use it here. What? What is the link where I can check and see if it worked or did not work? I'm pretty sure I'm wasting like a lot of time on this, but yeah. I did not see multiple requests before. Okay, it has merged. Okay, it has merged, ladies and gentlemen. What now? Now. Okay, what now? Like, what's the link? I know you guys would be looking at this and thinking, "Oh my God, this guy's retarded." But yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Okay, I have to go to my Vercel. Is that so? I can do that. Wait, how do I go to my Vercel? I don't think it passed. Did it pass? It failed to deploy. what it's saying. Okay. Uh, should I hit redeploy? Redeploy. Deployment created. Oh wait, I think it's just doing something wrong. I have no idea how. Um, hmm. This is what I'm seeing on my end. There should be an app that just does this. It just like auto troubleshoots, man. Now, Claude is really something, man. Claude is really something. I have no idea how, but Claude is something. Choose the path which has the least chance of another error coming up. I'll just call it that at this point. Oh, bro, I should have probably written it here. I don't know why it's showing me this. What? Um, I think it's not my website. What the fuck? Wait, what happened? I don't think my website has gone live. I think it's my friend's personal portfolio that we have sent online. This is what your URL shows, and I just want to see my company's website on Vercel. My God, why? Why? How is this tough? This we still have a few ways to go. It's not. I have to be really persistent. Like like really fucking persistent. Hmm. I don't know. Where is the correct URL? Okay, I need to create a new what? What do I need to create? I need to create like a new repository. Why did you not tell me that I just need to create like a new project? Project name, root directory, it's like Zima Blue Media, continue. Project name, it's like Zima Blue Media. Next.js is the framework. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, deployed. Okay, I deployed it on Vercel. Man, nobody taught me or how to do this. Continue to dashboard. This is what I'm seeing online. Oh, sure. Yeah, I think I can. Oh, right here, right? Yeah, it says 404. It's not showing up on my end as well. It's not showing up on my end as well. Settings general root directory. Okay, so what do I have to do again? Um, I have to go here. What? I have to go here. Yeah, I have to go here. I have to go to settings. Did it take me to settings? Okay, general, and now I have to go to root directory. I swear to God, I don't see root directory at fucking all. Where is the root directory, guys? It says settings general root directory. I'm in general. I don't see any root fucking directory. I'm in general, but I don't see any root directory. Git and production branch. What is production branch? I don't even see production branch. Build and deployment folder. Okay. Root directory. The root directory is Zima Blue Media. Yeah. Yeah, it's already at Zima Blue Media. So click the git inside but change the production branch. And the production branch option. My okay. Also, there is no production branch option. Also, there is no production branch option. Damn, man, it is hard to be a white coder, ladies and gentlemen. I can. Oh my god, what? What? What is on? Include files outside inbuilt directories on. Save. Updated root directory successfully. I've turned that on. Hit save. Then redeploy. How do I redeploy? Um, you mean this one? This one? Should I redeploy this? How do I redeploy? Redeploy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I redeployed. Building. Okay, I did it. Now I come here, right? I go here. I go to settings. Yes. Just like old days, ladies and gentlemen. Just like old fucking days. I've done that. Mm-hmm. Come down to Git, your production branch. It still won't show up. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I think I may have to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I would have to stop today because this is important. This is an important call I have to take. But it was really fun. I would do this again and again with you guys. Just see me, but